Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can make this little cute cafe area in Heartopia. So I am going to need these low walls here, and I'm going to make it like this essentially. So it's 2 by 2. And then for the floors, I'm going to get that, but I'm just going to color the underside of it like I always do in my videos. So let's do that first to match everything up. Actually, I might change the color of the walls. Sorry, the floors later on, but I'm gonna just use this one first. Okay, let's place that here and place it like that. Okay, now we need some stairs. We are going to go to the building material again. You can use any stairs you want, of course. I'm just going to use these. But again, whatever stairs you have. Then we're going to add in the railings of it, I guess. I don't know which one I should do. I think I might go with the lustrous one, but again, can use any of it you have. Then I'm just going to pick a fence. Okay, I'll use the European fence. Here. And then again on this side. All right, now we need to go to the other materials and we're going to get this. Hopefully you have this, but if not, just leave it with the grass, just like the grass, I guess. We're going to do 3 by 2 here, and we're going to get more of the European fence. We're just going to put that all over this side. Just up to there, I guess. All right, then we will need this item. Now, I don't know where this item is placed, but I just go to Dreamlight Cinematics. It's this one, the ceiling. Again, I don't know where this is placed, and I'm just going to place it right about here because we will need some space for the billboard area. Might move that later, but let's place this down first, and then we're going to get this thing, the billboard, and we are going to place it behind that. Okay, there's not enough space, so I'm just going to move this forwards just a bit. Hopefully that's enough, but I might have to move it again, to be honest, but let's see. Okay, let's put it here first. Okay, let's put it a little bit more to the back, stumbling a little bit. And then here I'm just going to change the colors. You can use any color you want, but I'm just going with the pink theme here. So, confirm. Now we are going to place some furniture. So let's go to furnitures here. I'm going to use this sofa, but you can use any sofa that you want. Just place that here. And I'm also going to do some pillars. Forgot about those. You can use, again, any pillars you want. And just have this one. And I'm just going to try to make it similar to this height. I'll just make it a little bit shorter, I guess. I'll put 2 there. We're going to bring the low walls up like this. And we're going to remove the ones here. Then grabbing this awning, we're going to just place that up here. Changing the colors so it's more similar, like so. And then I'm just going to put some what is it called? Oceanic cabinet here, and I'm just going to rotate them as well. I don't know where I should put it. Okay, why did it work just now, but it doesn't work? Oh, it's because of the fence, I think. Okay, let me remove the fence first, and we'll figure that out later. But this one doesn't have a fence, so... Oh, I think it's because... Hold on. I placed it like here last time, but I guess you can kind of adjust it yourself where like you want to place it. But I'm doing it like this. And oh, also we need the table for the sofa. So we're going to use this one. I might bring the like sofas a little bit more here to the left side maybe. So there's like more seating area. I don't know yet. But you're left with this, and I'm just going to decorate, and I'll be back with the finished results as always. And here is the finished result. Super simple to do. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!